Joe Biden is the big story in American politics. So now is the US Supreme Court. Last night, the two came together in a presidential statement of condemnation.
This nation was founded on the principle that there are no kings in America. Each of us is equal before the law. No one is above the law, not even the President of the United States. With today's Supreme Court decision on presidential immunity, that fundamentally changed. For all practical purposes, today's decision almost certainly means that there are virtually no limits on what a president can do.
The Supreme Court draws a crowd for its significant decisions. Yesterday, it gave immunity from prosecution to a president, in part. This is about the January the 6th riots at the Capitol and Donald Trump's alleged role in them.
We fight like hell.
His charge sheet will now be examined to see which ones he can face and which he can't. Because Trump's lawyers argued to Supreme Court judges that he should be immune from prosecution as a former president. The judges partly agreed, saying a president should have immunity for official acts carried out in office, but not for acts deemed unofficial. More than 400 people have been jailed since the riots at the Capitol. The criminal pursuit of the man accused as their inspiration just got more complicated. And so a lower court will now decide what can be prosecuted, the difference between the official act of a president and an unofficial act. It will almost certainly delay Donald Trump's election subversion trial beyond the November election. Conservative judges carried the day, including 3 chosen by Trump himself. There was bitter criticism from the Liberal minority about a president insulated from criminal prosecution. Justice Sonia Sotomayor gave examples. Orders the Navy SEAL Team 6 to assassinate a political rival, immune. Organises a military dissenting coup to hold on to power, immune. Takes a bribe in exchange for a pardon, immune, 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 immune. With fear for our democracy, she said, I dissent. Donald Trump described the Supreme Court's decision as a big win for the Constitution and democracy. His lawyers have made an instant effort to set aside his recent criminal conviction in New York, claiming evidence from his time in office cannot be used against him. James Matthews, Sky News, in Washington.